A guide you to make duet shorts in YouTube. Firstly, let's go to YouTube and there you can scroll to shorts. You can find beside the home button. You can tap on that. And from here, let's say if you need to do duet shorts, you can tap on the remix icon, which is over the share below that. From here, you can tap on collab and you could see you can tap on next. And that is processing. After that, it will give you a camera which you can do what you can allow that. And from here, you can tap on next and you can add the details. And from here, you can tap for visibility and the location. You can select audience and you can tap on comments. It can be on or off. From there, if you tap on upload short, that will be uploaded. This is how you do duet shorts in YouTube. Thank you.